Good morning. Isaiah 26:3 says, those that keep their minds stayed upon God, He will give you peace. Peace that surpasses all understanding. I just want to remind you to protect your peace. No matter what happens today, no matter who says what or does what, be intentional about protecting your peace. Fight for it. Fight for it. Stay on guard for it. Because that's one of the enemy's tactics, is to steal your peace. And once he steals your peace, that means he has your mind. Once he has your mind, he has your emotions. Once he has that, he has your heart. Then he has your actions, your behavior. Don't let him do that. Be protective of your peace. Amen. Amen. Y'all have a good and godly day.